Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to Cook and Scoop. The summer is around the corner. I feel really warm today, so I felt like I need to make something pretty light and refreshing for tonight. I have great recipes for warm summer days with lots of veggies. I tend to use some vegetables more often than the others, like spinach, broccoli, green beans. But today I wanted to make an exception, and today is the leek day. I hope you like leek, and if you are interested in learning about a new recipe, a very light one perfect for summer, why don't you keep on watching? These are my ingredients, and actually we don't need much. My recipe consists of a few ingredients like leek, carrots, olive oil, lemon, and rice. Of course, a little bit of salt and sugar as well. We are going to create a wonderful, refreshing, light dish with these ingredients. Here comes the list of the ingredients for you. Why don't you check that? And in the meantime, I prepare my stuff. And when I say I am going to be preparing my stuff, I'm talking about washing the vegetables and the rice and getting the juice out of the lemon. That's all. We don't have too much to do today, so we're going to be ready in no time when I get everything ready. Welcome back. I completed my preparations. Obviously, the first thing I did was to take care of the leek. I washed them, I got rid of the bad leaves, and I chopped them into pieces like 4 or 5 centimeters in length. This is not a math exam, so you don't have to be precise. 4 or 5 centimeters is good enough. And here I had 3 carrots. My carrots were a little bit on the small side, so I used 3. You can use 2 as well. What I did was to wash them, to peel them, and to cut them into circles. Thin ones. And then obviously I washed my rice, and everything else is ready. All I need to do right now is to get them ready in a pot. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to do is obviously to start my stove. In the mid heat, I'm going to put the olive oil, 1 espresso cup, the carrots, and the leek. I'm just going to close the lid and let this be for 5 or 6 minutes in the medium heat. The reason why we are closing the lid is to allow the vegetables to cook by themselves with the heat and the oil and the steam as well. So it's going to be even more delicious. And to make sure that not just one side is burned, we will be stirring from time to time. Try not to ruin the shape of the leek. Gently. By doing this, we are covering the leek and the carrots with olive oil. So I let it be. I would like you to see how it is, so I'm going to move the camera closer to the pot. It's been 5 minutes. They still have the lovely colors, the green of the leek and the carrots as well, but I can see that they're already a little bit soft. Now what I'm going to be doing is just to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm just going to put the rice, pre-washed rice. I'm going to put salt. I'm going to put some sugar. The juice of 1 lemon. And 1 water glass of water. This is basically it. I'm just going to roughly mix it to make sure that the rice is in the water. You can see that the water slightly covers all of the ingredients. Leek has itself lots of water in it, so it'll be enough for this recipe just to put 1 water glass. What I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to put the lid on and let this cook in a very low heat. In my case, I'm going to go for 6. My stove is an induction one. I really don't know about yours, but this recipe requires low heat, a little bit less than the medium heat, I would say. It will cook slowly by itself. The steam and the low heat will be cooking it nicely. Until what time? Until the rice and the veggies are softer. So all we need to do right now is to wait. So it's been 20 minutes and our leek is ready. I'm just going to show you from a very close-up. This is how it looks. It looks gorgeous. You see the colors are still bright, and actually the carrot gives the lovely contrast color as well. I will leave this cool down and then I will be presenting it to you in a nice plate. Welcome back. Let me show you the result. Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, the colors are amazing and it looks so shiny and bright, and it's very delicious as well. It's quite light and you can keep this in the fridge for a while and you can eat it cold actually. I will be giving you more recipes for summer because I have other delicious but light recipes for summer, the warm summer. So if you can subscribe to my channel, you can be informed about the upcoming videos where I will be making even more delicious recipes for summer. I hope you liked my video and I hope it was useful for you. And if you liked it, why don't you press that like button and subscribe to my channel. And of course, you can always follow me on Instagram at Cook and Scoop as well. I wish you a wonderful day, a delicious day. Bye bye.